Very warm welcome to my presentation. My name is Mohammad Fayaq. I am from mechanical branch. My roll number is 326 and I am here to give a tech talk presentation on data structures, and my topic name is use of tree structure for processing files. And moving further, in data processing problems, files are frequently used which must both be searched and altered. Binary search techniques are efficient for searching large files, but the associated file organization is not readily adapted to the file alterations. Conversely, a chained file allocation permits even client alteration but cannot be searched efficiently. So, in data processing problems, files are frequently used for searching and alteration also. So binary search techniques are efficient for searching large files, but associated file organization is not readily adapted. Conversely, a chain file allocation permits even signed alteration but cannot be searched efficiently. A file organized into a tree-like structure is discussed, and it is shown that such a file may both be searched and altered with times proportional to s log sn, where n is number of file items and s is parameter of tree. It is also shown that optimizing the value of s leads to a search time w, which is only 25% slower than binary search. The tree organization employs two data chains and may be considered to be a, a compromise between the organization for the binary search and the chain file. Use of tree structures for processing files, and here is a tree diagram. We can see the first is the theory of computation, then comes design and analysis of algorithms, then data structure design and analysis, and then sorting and searching. And trees have been important data structures since the mid 50s, when the first list processing application and languages were developed. When Kunt systematized the accumulated knowledge about data structures in his 1968 book on fundamental algorithms, he devoted half the space to the tree structures. During the 70s, data structures based on trees were extended to files on secondary storage and to multi-dimensional problems such as multi-key access. Trees also become the dominant data structure for many algorithms in the field of concrete complexity, because they are the only structures known that guarantee on log n worst case bounds on sequential and random access, insertion and deletion on linearly ordered sets. Recent events indicate, however, that in the coming decade, the predominance of trees as all-round data structures may be challenged by address computation techniques. Various refinements and generalizations of the old programming trick called hashing have caused an unexpected extension of the domain of applicability of address computation techniques to dynamic files and multi-key access. This paper survey the history of data structures used for tables, files, or record management systems, structures designed for efficient retrieval, insertion, and deletion of single records, characterized by key values and chosen from linearly ordered sets. By describing a few milestones and highlights, I attempt to identify the trends and speculate on future developments. So, this is how the tree structures are used for processing files. For process, first of all, for processing, they are frequently searched and altered. But then again, binary search techniques are used, and then chain file allocation are used. And on moving further, tree structures have been given more importance since the mid 50s. And for this tree structures, uh, they use multi-key access also. And this is how the tree structure is being used for processing files for insertion or for deletion or for alteration of a file. Tree structures have been given the importance from the mid 50s. So this is my presentation on use of tree structures for processing files, and I would like to thank for giving me this opportunity.